Okay, let's go to Lego Odyssey. Then we go to locker and equip the default skin. So let's go all the way up and default. Now we're gonna click on R2. It's gonna take us to different styles. Now we're gonna click on Emmy. Then we're gonna go back, and there's Emmy. Now let's go into Battle Royale. And we got a free skin. That's a really easy glitch. Obviously we would have to save this. So let's save it as a new slot. And that's saved. Just so we don't miss that free skin, I guess. Well, style for the skin.